Hey everyone! So I'm making this video kind of as a last minute, spur of the moment sort of thing. And just a couple hours earlier I posted on Facebook that I'm going to have my first giveaway ever. And I decided I should probably make a video for my YouTube following as well. It's not very large, but still, you know, for anyone who's interested, it's pretty simple. I've made some pet paintings in the past for some people, and I thought it would be a really nice gift to one of my followers. And so if you're interested, it's really simple. Literally, you just have to be subscribed to my YouTube and be following my page on Facebook. I will have the link down below if you want to follow my Facebook page. And then if you do that, make sure to comment either down in this video below or on my Facebook post a picture of the pet that you'd like a painting of. It's only going to be about a week long. It ends on March 1st. And so make sure if you're interested to not just dilly-dally and put the picture of the pet that you'd be wanting. Or if there's a chance that I have someone out there who doesn't have a pet but really wants to have something, post a picture of what you'd like me to paint and I will see what I can do. I can't promise you it would be in this one, but maybe in the future I can have a random giveaway as well. Anyways, so all you have to do is subscribe, follow my Facebook page, and while you're on Facebook, you don't have to do this, but it would really help me out if you share to any of your friends or family or anyone you know has a pet who would like a painting of their pet to subscribe and follow and enter in the contest as well. So again, it's really spur of the moment, and I've told you in the last video I made with my face that I'm not so great at talking, so I'm sorry if I'm kind of awkward. I'm really new to this. And that being said, there's probably some of you wondering why I'm giving a giveaway right now. I know most YouTubers wait until they hit like a substantial following before they actually do a giveaway, but I thought that it would be really nice to give a giveaway right now. It's pretty simple, like a painting of a dog or a cat or horse or, you know, whatever animal is wanted is something that I can do pretty easily. And so I thought it would be really nice as a giveaway, my first giveaway. And so I hope you guys are interested. I think it's a great idea, because I really want to see some engagement in my YouTube and in my Facebook. It's something that I'd really like to see here pretty soon, is a little bit more engagement. And so I thought that this would be a nice way to get the ball rolling. And so, yeah, I say so a lot, I'm sorry. I'm really looking forward to seeing your comments, and I hope I get a good amount of people who actually enter. I'm going to be picking from random. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do that yet, but it will be purely random. Maybe I'll do the whole like covering my eyes thing in front of my computer and scrolling through the comments and just stopping randomly. You know, whatever. That's the most random way I know how to do it. If you guys have any suggestions for that, I am totally open to that as well. And so, you know, without further ado, I hope you subscribe, leave a like if you like this giveaway idea, leave a comment down below for future content. I'm always happy to see people suggest things to me. And make sure you enter to win your free pet portrait. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much.